Assalamualaikum. Today I want to share about polymer. Basically, what is meant by polymer? So here I told you what is polymer. We can divide this into two parts. The first part, poly, means many, and the second part, mers, means things, unit, or number. Based on this, we can define polymer as a molecule that composed of many repeating units called monomer by polymerization process. So, basically, polymer are separated into plastic, which is thermosetting and thermoplastic, and the second one is rubber, which is elastomer. So, to know more about polymer, you have to watch this video until the end, okay?
Do you know why the plate doesn't melt?
No. Okay, let me explain.
For your information, the plate is made the thermoset plastic which of the category melamine resin. Thermoset plastic contain polymers that cross-link together during the curing process to form an irreversible chemical bond. They have a very rigid structure. Characteristic of the thermoset plastic is do not soften on heating, hard and strong. They cannot be molded more than one.
Hi everyone! Do you know what is thermoplastic? Thermoplastic is a type of plastic made up of polymer resins that becomes soft material when it is heated and become hard when it is cooled. These materials are easily property changes when they are heated or cooled multiple times. There are several characteristics of thermoplastic. First, it is easy to mold and shapes. Second, it offers high strength and light weight. Third, thermoplastic can be remolded and recycled without damage. Last but not least, it can reduce waste and it is more environmentally friendly.
So you already know about thermoset and thermoplastic. Now I will explain to you about elastomer. An elastomer is a polymer with viscoelasticity having both viscosity and elasticity, generally having low Young modulus and high failure strength compared with other materials. You also can know as a natural or synthetic polymer having elastic properties, for example, rubber. Some uses of elastomer is for motor vehicles, consumer product, construction, adhesive and sealant, industrial product, wire and cable, and also for medical product.
There are 4 advantages of polymer that I prefer for you all. First, polymer is heat electrical insulation. Second, polymer is the cheaper brands. And the third, polymer was easy to process, means you can design wherever you want. And the last one, high employment opportunities in companies that produce polymer-based products.
Polymers do not only give benefit to the human beings, but polymer also cause harms to the humans. The disadvantage of polymer is polymer are easily breakdown. There are several possible causes of polymer breakdown, such as the effect of oxygen and the moisture at the atmosphere that will lead to the hydrolytic breakdown. Besides, if humans do improper disposal of plastic, it will lead to the environmental pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Other than that, when plastic is burned, it releases dangerous chemicals such as hydrochloric acid and sulfur dioxide.
Hi everyone. Okay, today I want to share with you about example of polymer. We have 3 types of polymer, which is thermoplastic, thermoset, and elastomers. Okay, this plastic bottle and this cup we can use, but it can melt repeatedly when it's on a high temperature. I have 2 things to share with you, which is from thermoset, the button, and the handle of leather. Those things are very hard and solid. They are more resistant to high temperature than thermoplastic and cannot be recycled. This was one of example things from elastomers. Okay, This ball used from synthetic rubber because it is modified and can be pulled up to twice its length, but it can return to original shape.
The conclusion is polymers are being used in almost every field in this world. However, there are too many plastic waste everywhere. Recycle and fully understanding the degradation mechanism is the key to reducing the waste. So guys, we have learned a lot about polymers today. I hope what we share will you always remember, and do share this knowledge with others. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello guys, good morning.
Hello, A. Hi, everyone.
Guys, I have a good issue to discuss about plastic pollution.
What kind of issue, In?
What is it, eh?
The issue I am talking about is that the world will suffer from plastic pollution of 710 million tons by 2040, despite effort to reduce waste. So I think this is an issue we need to discuss so that plastic pollution continue decrease.
One of the causes of plastic pollution is a rapid growth in plastic production, spurred by a rise in single-use plastic, and a throwaway culture has exacerbated the problem. What about you, Zati?
That's true, Daya. In my opinion, waste management systems in countries around the world don't have the capacity to safely dispose of or recycle plastic waste.
I think this issue also can give effect to our environments. That is, plastic pollution kills marine life. For example, marine life dead traps in plastic waste. Although the marine life is not dead, but the plastic materials eaten is still stored in his body system. This is dangerous, right?
The cause by the issue is how rivers became the plastic highway in the oceans. It is because millions of tons of plastic enter the oceans every year, polluting the seas, littering beaches, and endangering wildlife. Plastic particles have been found in soil, in the atmosphere, and even in most remote regions of Earth, such as Antarctica. Microplastics are also eaten by fish and other creatures where they enter the food chain.
There are many ways to overcome these issues. One of the ways is replace the plastic bag with the paper bag. For example,
You are right, Farah, and the most important thing is to recycle the.
So, in conclusion, every day we can see a million of plastic are used by human and will eventually be dumped at the landfill or floated to the sea. The biggest takeaway from our work, if we don't do anything, the plastic pollution problem is going to become unmanageable. Therefore, cooperation from various parties is greatly appreciated in the effort to overcome this problem, save our environment by today, from this to this.
So that's all our discussion. Bye.